Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you what are stock item card available, stock card basically, and what is inactive item in your inventory. So first of all, let us go to our inventory module. So on your left hand side, you will see inventory module option. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in inventory module, please check. In the very bottom, you can see there are few of the cards provided like negative stock, low stock, excess stock. So what are these? This have been provided for you to quickly go ahead and check specifically into that segment like negative stock. Those stock which have gone negative below zero can be displayed from here. So if I will go ahead and click on view negative stock, please check. There are only those items available whose stock are in negative. Now coming to the low stock segment, in low stock, suppose if I have defined minimum stock level and maximum stock level. So accordingly, the system defines that which is low stock, which goes below minimum stock, and excess stock which goes up maximum stock. So you can very well go ahead and use this card to check the details of low stock or excess stock, and accordingly the data will get displayed. Now this will be helpful to you, and this will only work if minimum stock level and maximum stock level on item is defined. Now coming to the next, what is inactive item? So for that, let me go to filters, and here in filter you can check the status. Here provided low stock, excess stock, negative stock, and then after inactive items. So I will click on inactive item. Whenever you come in inventory, and then after if you delete any item, let me show you how. So suppose I will go in all list and click on done. Now this is one of my item which I want to remove. So suppose if I will remove this item will not get deleted from inventory, because it might be possible that this is available in your BOM or your any document, any open document like purchase order or sales order. So it will go in inactive stage. So you can quickly go ahead and activate that inactive items as well. So this is one of my item which is in inactive. I will open this item. After opening it, please check. Here is an option of reactivate. So I will click on this, and accordingly it will ask for the confirmation, and I can reactivate it and bring it back in my inventory. I hope this video will be helpful to you while checking your stock cards and inactive item. Have a good day ahead.